Hello everyone, this is Annette. Welcome to my scrapbooking corner. I'm going to see what they have. I'm using white basil cardstock and layering this heart pattern over top. First is Hipkit Club's September Days wood veneer, and grade is Hipkit Club's Delightful, and Literacy Night is Hipkit Club's September Days in navy.
Color.
And then I'm going to use Hipkit Club's clear mixed media stickers from it's from Hipkit Club's Flourish Pass Kit. And then the die cuts are Hipkit Club September Days.
No! Not paying attention, Tail. What? They got that tiger from the room and playing tug of war with it. No! There you it?
I don't know, I threw it to you!
Yeah, they got it! Yeah. Got it. Right there.
Don't worry about your bed, I need to wash your sheets anyway. Alright, sorry. I got something from Mateo's room. Puppies, oh, they're such a pain in the butt. Oh my gosh. And then two, what the heck was I thinking? I mean, I love them to death, and I wouldn't give them up because they're happy here. Oh my God. It's just a pain because they were supposed to be all of our dogs, and they've become my dogs because I'm the only one that takes them out. I'm the only one that feeds them, bathes them. When they're happy to see anybody else, they get mad, especially Mateo. He sits there and, I mean, they jump. That's what puppies do. I mean, we're teaching them, but still. Him and Alex are a bit mean to them. So after losing Coco, I wasn't interested in any more dogs at that time. But anyway. So I just layering my die cuts on. And I'm going to add, because I have the wood veneer first, I wanted to add the wood veneer in a few other spots. So I use the hearts. And then I'm going to add these enamel dots that are used here and there. So I'm going to try to use them up. And I got tons of freckle foam kits. Oh my gosh, I got a whole from years past and current, and I just stick them in the drawer, stick them in the drawer, stick them in the drawer, stick them in the drawers. Oh. But anyway, so that is, after I do that, that is all I do to this layout. So I'll let you finish watching before I get interrupted again, and I do apologize for that. Oh, good girl, he says. Anyway, so, yeah, when I'm more done, I'll be back with those. Bye.